Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about cucumbers in hanging baskets. So here inside our greenhouse, we have some Diva cucumbers that are grown in hanging baskets. I have made some modifications on our setup today, and as you can see, we have some Walmart bags hanging underneath our baskets. Now, the purpose of the grocery bags is to catch the water that will drip out of the hanging basket when I water them. I also did some fertilizing today, and then I put some more potting soil on top of the fertilizer that I scattered all around the top of the soil. So here we can see that our cucumbers have started vining out. We also have a bunch of flowers. I know we don't see a lot of pollinators this early in the season, but there's no worry because this variety of cucumbers do not need pollination. Yeah, they are self-pollinating hybrid slicing cucumber variety that's designed for growing inside a greenhouse. I think the only issue that we have in here is the powdery mildew, which I need to treat. I might show that to you in my next video for our cucumber update. But so far our cucumbers are looking nice. This one is just growing straight upward, and you can see some flowers also. But these are male flowers in here. We do have a few female flowers in some of our cucumber plants. So this one's leaning over, and you see that this one is a female flower. Here's another female flower that hasn't opened yet. Right here we also have a bunch of them. Oh, and I'm gonna show you the fertilizer that I am using. I usually just use fertilizer that's like available on sale or on clearance at wherever I can find them, like the big box stores or a farm supply store. But so you can see this one, this is a fertilizer that I am using for this. We have like a little bit left from that bag, which I bought like 3 years ago. So look at that, guys. We have another cucumber, tiny cucumber down here. And so yeah, so after I put the triple 13 fertilizer in it, I top this with potting soil. So here is our bucket of pre-moistened potting soil. Yeah, we do not use garden soil for our hang baskets. It has to be well draining. So I put like 3 scoops of potting soil on top of the triple 13 fertilizer that I have added in there. One more. Okay, I didn't bring my tripod, so I'm just holding my camera for now. Okay, and you want to get rid of this soil that's on the leaves. The plants don't like it when their leaves touch the soil. And then yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover that. I hope you can see what I'm doing right now. Okay, that's it. And then we're going to just water the cucumbers. Here, let's get our water hose, and then oops, I just have to be careful in here when pulling my water hose because we also have a bunch of tomatoes. We have 45 tomatoes inside this greenhouse, and look at that one, guys. We have some good sized tomatoes. The reason why we only have like 1 or 2 big tomatoes from each plant is because the past 2 weeks has been really cold, so the tomato plants haven't been doing much. The cucumbers you know, have started flowering and putting out some little tiny fruit, which is a good thing. And I think it helps that they're in a hang basket at this point because it is very easy to warm up the soil when it's in a hanging basket compared to like whenever it's in the ground. So that's it. Just, you know, a little bit of squeeze of that water hose, and then whatever is the extra water that will drip under this basket will go into the bag. Yeah, so as I've said earlier, I think the only thing that I need to fix now would be, or actually there are two things I need to do. Um, Treat the powdery mildew and also put some tomato twine like this. Let me show you this string. This is called a tomato twine, and that's what I use to trellis my tomatoes, and you see a lot of them right there. So I'm going to run some tomato twine right here for the vines to hang on to, or else this will fall down to the ground. After watering our hanging basket cucumbers, most of the bags actually don't have extra water, except for these two. I think I sprayed too much water, so this is what I was talking about. Like whenever there's extra water, I need something to catch it, and that's why I put some Walmart bags in here. This one has some extra water too, so I can use a solo cup to just get this water, or I'm just probably gonna leave this in here for a little bit, and then later on I'm gonna get it and pour it back into the basket.